QNT at the time of this recording continues to see a bit of a breakdown move to the downside, but we continue to hold within a Fibonacci key area of support between the 96.88 and the 75.05 USDT mark. That is the blue target area on the charts. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why we need to continue holding within this area and the reasons why we can easily see a reversal within this target area to the upside. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, I have been observing this 5-wave structure to the upside, where you can see that we picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave, so a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2, another bounce over here in the formation of this wave 3, then we saw a pullback in a wave 4, and then finally topped in the formation of that wave 5 above the 135 USDT mark. And that 5-wave structure completed the formation of this larger wave 1, and having seen the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a second wave, where you can see that we got this corrective structure in an ABC corrective move, having that as a wave A, a wave B, and then finally saw the formation of that wave C into the minimum target areas for this wave 2 that were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of that wave 1. And on so doing, you can see that my target area lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, an area that we have now almost fully maximized, and there's a very high chance that the low is almost in and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of this third wave, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows that we have at the moment in that wave 2. And the first target area that you need to pay attention to in that wave 3 lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 201.71 USDT mark, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming weeks after breaking above key areas of resistances and significant highs, like the high we made above the 110.88 and the 135.78 USDT mark. But if by any chance the market continues to see further weakness, and maybe at some point we break out of this blue target area to the downside, and the first case scenario to expect is that QNT is going to give us a weak feel of this massive week that we left over here after the massive liquidation event that happened on the 10th of October. So that is the first breakdown case scenario that you can expect. We can easily fall to fill in this week all the way to the 50 USDT mark before we can attempt another bounce. Alternatively, we can fall into the midpoint of this massive week, that is the 50% retrace of the week, find support, and then start another bounce to the upside in the next coming days. So those are the two key scenarios to expect in case we start losing key areas of support in the next coming hours. And that is all that I expect here on the QNT chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.